So today we are going to check the price action. So we'll start with Reliance. This is for August. This is week 1, week 2, week 3, and we have successfully entered into week 4. Okay, so you could see almost open and close was same. Here open and close was almost near. So this was positive DKV, and here also open. So week 3 open and close was not so same, but the decay was very fast here because we have it's already week 3, right? So it was a positive decay only, and you could see the price action was between 1430 to the support 1360. So all the strikes in between would have been a good decay that I will show you on the straddle. Now you could see it is again falling back, and this is going to be our retracement line. Let's see what happens in the future. Okay, now we'll take HDFC Bank. Similar pattern I'd like to analyze. Let me take, this is as previous close. Let me just change that color into pink. Okay, so this is very light. I'll keep it white. That would be better. Okay, so this a white line is the previous close. Okay, let's try to do. So this is August month. This is week 1, 2, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So week 4, you could see resistance is 2030. When you take support is 1960. It's very nice. You could see how many times the support was very strong here, but now it's slightly broke and the close is near the low. So now we have to see if it is taking up or going to do the fall. But also remember, the call writing is heavily built for HDFC Bank. This might change the game. Okay, now we'll go to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank pretty clear. So you could see here week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Okay, open is high as well as the resistance, that is 1480, and then here low, close is near to low, and support value is 1410. So 80 points. ICICI is lingering here. You could see almost sideways, so positive decay in week 2 and week 3, but here definitely negative decay, and now it should go up. If it goes up, then the monthly straddle will be in profitable zone. But also remember, the call writing is heavily built here also. Let's wait and watch. Okay, we'll move on to the OI. So I'm going to take Trading Tech website for OI data. So first I will check for Reliance. So clearly when you check Reliance, it was profit booking has already started. In the overall also it is getting reflected. Okay, but the overall analysis is call writing is still high. When you check for HDFC Bank, see, call writing is more, and then it is pretty stable and it's building up. So we'll wait and watch for HDFC. If profit booking happens, then price action should go up. Same pattern for ICICI as well. Now we'll see the close range OI, what it has to say. First one we'll take is Reliance. So this is Reliance chart, and then you could see profit booking already started. That's what reflected here. So this is basically profit booking, and then call writing is still heavy, so resistance is there in the market. You could see 58 and 23. So this is the resistance and support. Lot size is 500. We'll move on to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, 36 and 12. So clearly resistance is more. The last is ICICI Bank. Here also 21 and 9. Clearly resistance is more. Now we have to wait and watch whether profit booking kicks in or not. If profit booking comes in, then the picture is different because Bank Nifty or Nifty is at crucial support, so that might change the game. Okay, so now we'll start with Reliance. So this is Reliance, and I'll take 15 minutes time frame since it's a price action calculation. Okay, now this is the previous close. We'll see. First I will take is Reliance. So when you check for Reliance open is 20. So the purple line, and then you could see it was a profitable trade because open is 28 and close is 26. It's 2 points profitable. Okay, now let's do a small P&L calculation. So this is P&L. You could see this is the example of strong resistance and a weak support, because the support has been broken at every point. So you could see this pattern. Okay, so again the fib series 50% here, the fall is observed. Now when you calculate P&L, so the positive decay is almost +2, and then one lot size for Reliance is 500. So this times this is 1k plus tax and brokerage. Also remember we are at week 4, so that's the last week, and this is day 1, that is Friday. So almost during the last 15 days, since it is having the monthly expiry pattern, the last 15 days will have the fast decay. Okay, so that's why even though price action is down, the sellers are in the profit zone. Okay, now we'll move on to HDFC Bank. So we have HDFC Bank here. Let's understand the HDFC Bank price action. So here you could clearly see HDFC. So this becomes the support, and it's currently standing at its support previous close. And when you check for open is 94. So I'll take 80 itself. So you could see open was 31, close was 37. So this is a loss making trade with a small margin. HDFC, because of the first fall, which was very nice. Okay, now we'll take ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank, when you check for open is 40, so red line, and then you could see this is a profitable trade. From 19 it came down to 17. So that's it guys, thank you.